In the previous class, we have seen the idioms or phrases on the alphabet A. In this today class, we will be seeing the idioms or phrases that are starting from the letter B. So, the first idiom or the first phrase is by hook or by crook. By hook or by crook. That means by one means or another. That means in any situation, whatever may be the situation, I will achieve that. This is nothing but by hook or by crook. You can see the example. He is determined to obtain first division in his class by hook or by crook. Then second, heart the brunt of. Second, bear the brunt of. Bear the brunt of. The meaning of bear the brunt of is to bear the main shock of. We can easily understand it by example. The poor have to bear the brunt of increasing prices. That means he has to bear that shock. The increasing prices will definitely shock the poor, but he has to bear that. That is nothing but bear the brunt of. Bear the brunt of. Third, bell the cat. That means to take first step at personal risk. To take first step at personal risk. Many people can boast of their bravery, but very few can bell the cat. That means many of the people will step down or they will not go front in order to take the personal risk. And there are very few persons who take the personal risk and do that. That is nothing but bell the cat. Idiom or phrase is bell the cat. Then fourth one, bid defiance. Bid defiance, that means to ignore. Rohan bid defiance to his father's wish of becoming a doctor and instead become an engineer. That means the father was wishing that his son could become a doctor, but Rohan bid defied him, that is father's wish, and he became an engineer. Fifth one, blow one's trumpet. Blow one's trumpet, that is to praise oneself. That means a person always talks only about himself, or he always praises himself. That is nothing but blow one's trumpet. No one likes to talk to those who are always blowing their own trumpet. No one likes to talk to those who are always blowing their own trumpet. That means the person who praises oneself, none other person is interested to talk with him. The simple meaning. Next, the sixth one, break the news. What is the meaning of break the news? Break the news is that means to give bad news. You can understand with an example. He broke the news of her husband's death very gently so as to lessen the intensity of the shock. It means obviously it was a bad news. Okay, therefore he broke the news, but he broke it very gently so that the intensity of shock is very less for her widow, for his widow. Then the seventh one, burn a hole in one's pocket. That means money spent quickly. As we see, some persons can't maintain their money and they spend it very rigorously. There we can use this idiom or phrase, that is burn a hole in one's pocket. We can see the example. Money given to a spendthrift. It means a person who spends very oftenly only burns a hole in his pocket. Then eighth one, bury the hatchet. That is to make peace. What is the meaning of bury the hatchet? That is to make peace. India and Pakistan must bury the hatchet to bring about peace to the region. It means in order to bring the peace near the Jammu and Kashmir region, this India and Pakistan should bury the hatchet. That means they should meet the peace talkings. Okay, in order to make the region peaceful. That is nothing but bury the hatchet. Next, ninth one, beside oneself. That means to feel excessively. What is beside oneself? To feel excessively. Due to the accidental death of his wife, he was beside himself with grief. That means he was very, very much felt bad and he was feeling very excessive. That means it was much more bad for him, very bad news, and he was in very utmost shock. Therefore, we can say it as beside oneself. Next, 10th one is bad blood. Bitter relation. What is the meaning of bad blood? It is bitter relation. In 2017 EPFA exam, they have asked about blue blood. What is blue blood? We can see this, the same phrase or idiom in this lecturer at last. Blue blood meaning is aristocrat. That means a top level peoples in society. This is nothing but blue blood. Now we will see what is bad blood. Bad blood meaning is bitter relation. That means the relations are not good. The riots have created bad blood between the two communities in India. Right. Next. 11th one, black and blue. What is the meaning of black and blue? That is to beat mercilessly. Without any mercy, beating a person is nothing but we can use a idiom or phrase that is black and blue. The thief was beaten black and blue by the police. That means the thief, when he was caught by the police, they have beaten him black and blue. That means without any mercy. Next, 12th one, beat about the bush. This is very nice and very important phrase. Beat about the bush. Many people do this. That is, what is the meaning of beat about the bush? That is to talk in round about manner. That means, see, they will not come to a point or the statement that they want to say directly, but they will revolve around that statement continuously in order to come to that point. That is nothing but beat about the bush. You can see the example. We should always come to the point and should not beat about the bush. We should always come to the point and should not beat about the bush. Then beat in the air. 13th one, beat in the air. What is the meaning? To make useless efforts. That means the efforts that are made are useless. Some speakers merely beat the air in speech while preaching. That means whenever they are on the stage and they are speaking, they always beat in the air in order to preach. That means they make useless efforts. Those are all useless efforts. In that time, we have to use beat the air. 14th one, build castles in the air. What is the meaning of build castles in the air? To make visionary schemes. It means to make visionary schemes, all imaginary schemes. Okay, it's like seeing the dreams in day. Nothing but to make visionary schemes. Example, many people who live in dreams build castles in the air and do not succeed in life. That means they always see the dreams, but they don't work on that, and hence they will not succeed in the life. 15th one, break the ice. This is also a nice phrase, break the ice. To speak first after prolonged silence. Okay, just imagine there was a meeting going on, and suddenly on a particular decision everyone stopped talking. Now it was a prolonged silence. Then a person spoke out. That is nothing but break the ice. In the meeting, Rajesh broke the ice and suggested the plan to solve the problem. Right, this is the meaning of broke the ice. 16th one, bring the book. That is to punish or to call to account. To punish or to call to account. The manager was brought to book for his negligence. That means for his negligence he was brought to book. That is, he was punished or he was called into account. 17, breathe once last. That means at the last phase of his life he is breathing his last breath. That is nothing but breathe once last. That is to die. He breathed his last in the prime of his life. Next, 18, backstair influence. That is by unfair means. This is important. Nowadays it is going on in most of the organizations and all. Okay, in order to get the jobs. That is nothing but backstair influence. That is by unfair means. These days many people or many persons are given good posts through backstair influence. Right. Next, 19th one, bird's eye view. That is at the top view, or it is concise view. That is seeing the whole big thing into a small region. By the small region we are able to see this whole vision. That is nothing but bird's eye view. Okay, it is concise view. We had a bird's eye view of the whole fair from the top of a Ghent wheel. Right. Next, 20th, bolt from the blue. What is meaning? It is sudden or unexpected shock. Also do remember these meanings because these are very important for examinations. Even in 2017 EPFO exam there were 2 questions directly asked. So it is important. If you want to read it again, you can check the handouts. We will provide handouts in the form of PDF in Telegram channel. Link will be provided in descriptions. Now we'll see what is bolt from the blue. That means sudden or unexpected shock. The news of her husband's death in the air crash came to her as a bolt from the blue. That means the death of her husband news in the air crash came to her as a bolt from the blue. That means it was a shock for her. Next, burn one's boats. What does it mean? Burn one's boats. It means point of no return. There is no return. There is no any point to return on that same matter. That is nothing but burn one's boat. We had burnt our boats by declaring that we are not going to sign CTBT. What is CTBT? If you know it, do comment it. We will be commenting its answer by tomorrow in the comment section or in the Telegram channel. Next, by the by. There are two. One is by the way and the other is by the by. Okay, by the by, what is your age? He is asking by the way, what is your age? We can use by the by. Next, be up to. That is to be equal to. What is the meaning of be up to? It is to be equal to. He is up to all the tricks of the trade to grind his own eggs. He is up to all. That means he is equal to all the tricks of the trade to grind his own eggs. That means in order to sharpen his skills, he is up to mark or he is equal to all the tricks. Next, 24th, bated breath. What is bated breath? That is in anxiety or expectancy. What is anxiety? That is expecting something result in nervousness or in fear. Right? It is nothing but anxiety. Bated breath, meaning is also expectancy. We can see the example. The fate of the match hung in balance, and everybody waited for the result with bated breath. It means a match which was drawn, every people waited for the result after a super over, like example, super over. This is nothing but bated breath. Next, bandy words. Bandy words, that is to wrangle or to argue. To wrangle or argue. What is wrangle? Dispute or argument that is long or complicated. Okay, what is wrangle? Dispute or argument that is long, complicated. You can see the example, that is bandy words. Obedient children don't bandy words with their parents when they are advised. That means the children who have been taught very nicely, they don't bandy words. That means they don't argue or they don't get into disputes with their parents. Okay, when they are advised something. Then 26th, be in one's bonnet. Be in one's bonnet. That is to be fizzy. F-U-S-S-Y, to be fizzy. What is meaning of fizzy? It is nothing but particular. To be precise or to be particular. It is nothing but fizzy. She seems to have a bee in her bonnet. She seems to have a bee in her bonnet because she is always finding faults with others. Next, 27th, bite the dust. What does it mean? It means to be defeated. Bite the dust means to be defeated. Pakistan had to bite the dust in the final to the World Cup. Okay, that means Pakistan should defeat or be defeated in order to get into the final of the World Cup. Next, blue stocking. S-T-O-C-K-I-N-G. What does blue stocking means? That is educated but pedantic lady. Educated but pedantic lady. What is pedantic? It is nothing but insulting. It is a type of insulting word which says that although she is brilliant, but finds always fault. She finds always fault in other person by correcting even small errors. It is nothing but pedantic. Nobody likes to mix with her because she is blue stocking. That means she is pedantic. As we discussed, what is pedantic? That is, she insults other persons even by the small errors. Next, 29th, bookworm. That is a person in the habit of poring over books. We usually use this word. If at all there is a boy who is always in the books, then we say these words. He has no time for social activities because he is a bookworm. Next, 30th one, bring down the house. 30th one, bring down the house. What does it mean? Bring down the house is nothing but to receive applause. Okay, receive applause. What is applause? That is talia, talia in Hindi, okay, that is praises, okay, receive applause. Though it was his maiden speech, he brought down the house because of his oratory skills. What is oratory skills? That is nothing but narrating skills. Speaking skills is nothing but oratory skills. Next, 31st. Browbeat. 31st is browbeat. That is to bully. What is bully? That is to oppressor. The someone who oppress is called bully. Now we will see the example of, just a minute. Browbeat. The president of the college union always tried to browbeat the students opposed to him. That means the president of the college union, okay, always will suppress or oppress, okay, oppress the opposite person who opposes him, okay, that is nothing but browbeat. Next, bad egg. What is the meaning of bad egg? A worthless is called as bad egg. He comes of a noble family. But he himself is a bad egg. That means he is worthless. Although he comes from the noble family, but he is worthless. Next, 33rd, beside the mark. That is irrelevant. Beside the mark is irrelevant. Nobody agreed with him because his arguments were beside the mark. That means the arguments he made were all irrelevant content. Next, 34th, burn one's finger. What does means burn one finger? That means to getting into trouble. He himself get into trouble. We can see the example. Those who interfere in the affairs of others often burns their finger. It means a person who tries to get into trouble of others, he himself get into the trouble. That is nothing but burn his fingers. Next, 35th, brown steady. What does brown steady means? It is daydream. Dreaming in day is nothing but brown steady. He could not follow the significance of my offer. He was in brown study. That means I offered him very good offer. I proposed him very good offer, but he did not accept it because he was in brown study. That is he was in daydream. Next, bank on. It is dependent on or count on. The rich always bank on money to get things done. That means the rich person have huge lot of money. Okay, therefore they rely on money, that is bank on money or depend on money to get the things done. Next, blaze the trail. 37, blaze the trail. That is to start a movement. Surendranath Banerjee blazed the trail of Indian national movement. That means Surendranath Banerjee started the Indian national movement. That is blaze the trail. Next, 38, bull in China shop. What is meaning of bull in China shop? That is one who causes damage. The person who causes damage is called as bull in China shop. Most of the leaders of the freedom struggle have proved bulls in China shop for England or colonial rule. That means the freedom fighters of freedom struggles have proved to be bulls in China shop for the colonial rule because they damaged their rule. 39, by the rule of thumb. What is the meaning of by the rule of thumb? It is according to practical experiences. In older times, business was by the rule of thumb. That means whatever business would used to be done, it was depending upon the practical experience. That is by the rule of thumb. Next, the 40th, big draw. That is a huge attraction. The match between India and Pakistan is always a big draw. Of course, we all know if at all there is a cricket match between India and Pakistan, it is always a huge attraction. These are another 10. In this 10, we will discuss one or two important. If you want to read all this, you can find the PDF on the Telegram channel. The link will be provided in description. And if you have any queries, you can comment and ask. We will try to answer. See, this blue blood. It was asked in 2017 EPFO exam. You can check 2017 EPFO exam as well as Assistant Labour Commissioner, which is also conducted by UPSC in Labour Bureau, okay, in Labour Department. That means Ministry of Labour What is blue blood? It is aristocratic blood. Though my friend has blue blood, yet her conduct is very mean and vulgar. Although she is from the top most people of the society, but her behavior or conduct is vulgar. That means it is not so good. It is very cheap. This is called vulgar. Now, blow hot and cold. That means the persons who speak both the sides. Okay, so don't believe the persons who speak both the sides. It is nothing but blow hot and cold. If you want to read this in PDF format, you can download it from the Telegram channel. Thanks for watching the video. If you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon. Stay tuned.